Is it just a rumble? Or your body crying out for survival? That sound is called Borborygmi, a symphony of gas and fluid moving in your empty belly. Even without food, your intestines are busy, clearing out leftovers and prepping for the next meal. These aren't random noises. They're messages from the engine of your body, warning fuel is running low. But not all hunger is real. Sometimes it's just boredom wearing a disguise. Your body speaks. Are you listening? If this sparked your curiosity, hit like, leave a comment, and follow for more mind-blowing science. Credits music by Kevin MacLeod.